When the number, let me write the number again. Sit here. Alright, so is 4355. Okay, I'm gonna press the green button. Hello? Hello, good morning. Good morning. Is this the casual restaurant? Yes, ma'am. So, I'm calling because I want to speak to the owner. Yes, ma'am, I am one of the owner. Are you the one that make the decision for the restaurant? You know what? Hold on. Okay. Kaji, somebody upon the phone for you.
Is who?
Huh? Somebody upon the phone, come take the phone, yeah?
Pass me the phone.
Boy, I hope them not keep me on the line for a long time.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Yes, hello. You are the owner?
Yes, I am the owner.
You make the decision for the restaurant?
Yes, I make all the decisions for casuals.
Okay, that's good. So I was calling because I'm making some sorrel. And I wanted to know if I can bring in the sorrel for the restaurant. Listen to me. I'm telling you that this sorrel is very good. My family is very upset with me that I'm not sharing out the sorrel for them this year. Me tell them that me have plans for it. Yes, and I'm my business.
You say it's your business.
Yes, I feel my business. Me just tell my daughter that this morning. I feel my business.
Alright, you know what? Bring it down at the shop today.
That's good. That's good. It's the time of year for sharing, you know. So, I just want to, share it out. All right. So, me go just make me just I go make the sorrel cool little more, and then me go train I buckle them, and then bring them come for you. All right.
Alright,
All right then. Bye.
bless.
That was good. All right. So I forgot put the sorrel. This is good. This is good. So what them did want?
One lady, she says she going to bring sorrel down here for we sell in the shop. It's a good thing because me never make no sorrel this year, so
You see how God work? Kaji?
it's a blessing in disguise.
All right. Okay. As long as you know.